Emperor penguin. These majestic birds are not just the largest of their kind, growing up to 4 feet tall, but they also exhibit extraordinary resilience and deep familial bonds. It is in this stark, frozen paradise that the incredible journey of motherhood and fatherhood begins. As the breeding season begins, a profound tradition unfolds. The female emperor penguin carefully lays a solitary egg, the culmination of a month-long courtship. But her journey is just beginning. Once the egg is laid, the female must embark on a perilous journey to the sea for nourishment. The male, weighing up to 90 pounds, assumes his role as the protector. Firmly, he balances the precious egg on his feet, shielding it from the harsh elements. For weeks, the male stands guard, enduring frigid temperatures that can plummet to -40 degrees Celsius. He breathes a sigh of shivers as he shifts from foot to foot, his dedication unwavering. This act of carrying the egg directly on his feet, a protective embrace, so to speak, ensures the developing chick can access the warmth it needs. After an arduous journey, the female returns, her longing for her mate and their shared egg palpable. She brings nourishment, regurgitated fish to sustain both herself and the waiting father. The emperor penguin community thrives on cooperation. If necessary, fathers will pass the egg to one another, every penguin supporting a common purpose, to ensure survival in this unforgiving landscape. Weeks go by in the relentless cold, and finally, a miracle unfolds. The chick hatches, a fragile yet resilient embodiment of hope, emerging into the chilling world with instinctive cries. Little blue penguin. This penguin is also known as the fairy penguin. Measuring only about 30 centimeters in height, the little blue penguin is the smallest member of the penguin family. These delightful birds possess a uniqueness that captivates all who encounter them. Little blue penguins are social creatures, thriving in large colonies that can number in the hundreds. Their vibrant community life is crucial for both survival and social interaction. But amidst the chatter and playful antics, these devoted birds share a remarkable bond with a single partner for life. Once they find their mate, their hearts are steadfast, a testament to love in the animal kingdom. These penguins engage in elaborate courtship displays, utilizing their vocalizations and graceful movements to attract a lifelong partner. The commitment shown by little blue penguins is quite extraordinary. Once they form a pair bond, they remain monogamous for life. This dedication helps to nurture their young effectively. Once the eggs hatch, both parents take turns feeding and caring for their chicks, teaching them the essential skills they will need to survive in the vast ocean. Fierce and agile swimmers, the little blue penguins plunge into the ocean in search of food. Their diets primarily consist of small fish, squid, and crustaceans, which they skillfully catch as they dive beneath the waves. Yet, the beauty of their lives is under threat. With populations classified as low risk, conservation efforts are vital to ensure that future generations can continue to thrive. Environmental challenges such as habitat loss and pollution weigh heavily on their existence. Every little effort counts. We work hard to protect nesting sites and reduce human interference, ensuring that these charming birds remain a part of our natural heritage. African penguin. These charismatic birds are not just another species of penguin. Their raucous vocalizations have earned them the nickname the jackass penguin. But this catchy name isn't just for fun, it reflects the distinct, donkey-like bray that sets them apart from their fellow flightless friends. This vibrant species calls the coastal islands and waters of southern Africa its home, primarily found in places like Boulders Beach near Cape Town and Stony Point in Betty's Bay. The African penguin is a striking figure in the cold waters of the Atlantic, clad in a classic tuxedo-like plumage that aids in camouflage from predators. But their charm extends far beyond their appearance. Did you know? The African penguin was the first penguin species described by European explorers. Their unique traits caught the attention of naturalists long before they mapped out the icy realms of the Antarctic. These remarkable birds have a rich history intertwined with humanity's journey across oceans. But their modern-day story is one of vulnerability. Today, the African penguin is classified as vulnerable, with populations declining critically due to habitat destruction, climate change, and overfishing of their primary food sources. Oil spills and plastic pollution further exacerbate their plight, leaving these adorable creatures struggling against the current of change. However, hope glimmers along these shores. Conservation efforts, led by passionate individuals and organizations, are working to protect and rehabilitate the African penguin population. Every chick born is a testament to resilience and the ongoing efforts to secure a future for the African penguin. It is a reminder that while they are vulnerable, they are not defenseless. Chinstrap penguin. The chinstrap penguin takes its name from the thin black strip that runs beneath its chin, reminiscent of a soldier's helmet. This penguin is a true emblem of survival in the cold. Found predominantly in the subantarctic islands, these agile birds are expert swimmers. They can reach depths of over 70 meters in search of their primary diet of krill, fish, and squid. But these energetic adventures take place in an environment rich with peril. Life here is a challenge. Blizzard conditions can strike at any moment, forcing these birds to huddle together for warmth and protection. Nonetheless, their resilience is legendary. Chinstrap penguins are social animals, thriving in large colonies. They often build circular nests from stones, each nest acting as a critical fortress for their future. As the female lays 2 eggs, this intimate setting fills with excitement and anticipation. Both parents take turns incubating the eggs, ensuring that they remain warm against the relentless Antarctic chill. The bond formed during this crucial period only strengthens as they prepare to raise their young. After about 35 days, the long wait comes to an end. Hatchlings emerge, covered in a layer of downy fluff, helpless but alive. A new generation takes its first steps into a world that is both beautiful and tumultuous. As their chicks grow, the colony buzzes with activity. Every penguin plays a role in raising the young, an echo of the community spirit that bonds them together. The chinstrap penguin stands strong, a reminder of nature's extraordinary adaptations and the delicate balance of its ecosystem. Listed as low risk on the conservation scale, these stunning birds inspire awe and respect. However, their future remains intricately tied to the health of our planet. Adelie penguin. Adelie penguins belong to the penguin family, characterized by their distinctive tuxedo-like appearance. These agile creatures are not only adorable, but they possess astonishing capabilities that make them adept in their frigid habitat. Did you know that the Adelie penguin can dive to remarkable depths of 575 feet? These agile divers rely on their streamlined bodies and strong flippers to navigate the icy waters of the Pacific Ocean in search of fish and krill. Their impressive diving skills allow them to hunt effectively, showcasing their resilience as they adapt to the ever-changing conditions of their environment. The Adelie penguin is a dedicated parent. The breeding season begins in early spring when males return to the same nesting sites year after year. They build nests from pebbles, a valuable commodity in this barren land. Once the female lays her eggs, both parents take turns incubating them, demonstrating the cooperation essential for survival in such a harsh environment. After about 35 days, the eggs hatch, bringing new life into the icy wilderness. The parents work tirelessly, feeding their chicks until they are ready to brave the water on their own. While their population status is currently listed as low risk, climate change poses a significant threat. Warming temperatures can disrupt their food supply and nesting habitats, challenging their resilience. As the Antarctic environment changes, the Adelie penguin faces an uncertain future. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure that these remarkable birds continue to thrive in their natural habitat. Gentoo penguin. The Gentoo penguin is easily identified by its vibrant orange bill and distinctive white stripe over the top of its head. But it's not just their charming appearance that captures our attention. Did you know that the Gentoo penguin is the fastest swimming penguin? They can reach astonishing speeds of 36 miles per hour. That's faster than your average human Olympic swimmer. These remarkable birds spend much of their day foraging for food. In fact, during a single day, a Genta penguin can dive as many as 450 times, searching for krill and fish. With remarkable endurance, they navigate the cold depths of the Pacific Ocean, showcasing their resilience in the face of nature's challenges. Here in Antarctica, these penguins also face the challenge of raising their young. Genta penguins form strong familial bonds, taking turns to care for their chicks while protecting them from the harsh elements. While their populations are currently classified as near threatened, the Genta penguins continue to thrive in their icy environment, adapting to changes both in their habitat and the ocean. But the future is uncertain. Climate change and dwindling prey pose significant threats to their existence. As guardians of this fragile ecosystem, the fate of the Genta penguin serves as a reminder of our planet's delicate balance. Macaroni penguin. With their distinctive yellow crest and spirited demeanor, macaroni penguins are truly remarkable. They are the most common penguin species in the world, however, they have been facing dire threats over the years. Did you know that since 1970, their populations have seen a steady decline? With a current population that is marked as vulnerable, it's crucial to understand the challenges these charismatic birds face. What makes the macaroni penguin fascinating is not just their vibrant appearance but also their remarkable breeding colonies. They often gather in groups of up to 100,000 birds, forming some of the largest breeding colonies of all penguin species. These colonies are not only a sight to behold but also play a vital role in the life cycle of these penguins, each bird contributing to the community, raising young, and nurturing without a second thought. What then is threatening the future of the macaroni penguin? Climate change, overfishing, and habitat destruction are challenging their survival. As ocean temperatures rise, their prey becomes scarcer, leading to starvation and decreased breeding success. Conservationists and scientists are on the front lines, studying these remarkable creatures and working tirelessly to promote policies that protect their habitats. Their work is crucial, reminding us that the well-being of macaroni penguins reflects the health of our oceans. While the challenges are daunting, there is still hope. By raising awareness and taking action, we can help secure a future for the macaroni penguin. After all, the fate of these extraordinary birds is intricately linked to our own actions. Humboldt penguin. The Humboldt penguin thrives in the nutrient-rich waters that hug the shores of Chile and Peru. Renowned for their distinctive black and white plumage, these charming birds are not just a delight to behold, but they play a crucial role in their ecosystem. Named after the cold Humboldt Current that sweeps down the Pacific coast, these penguins flourish in the chilly waters, which teem with sprats, their favorite delicacy. Sprats are small, oily fish that provide Humboldt penguins with the essential nutrients they need to survive. But catching these agile fish requires skill. With their bodies perfectly adapted for underwater hunting, Humboldt penguins dive into the depths, using their acute vision and expertly designed beak. Did you know? The mouth and tongue of the Humboldt penguin are lined with backward-facing spines. These specialized structures enable them to grasp and hold on to slippery fish with precision. Once underwater, these agile hunters take advantage of their unique adaptations to feast on sprats in their thriving habitat. However, this exquisite species is currently classified as vulnerable, with concerns over dwindling populations due to habitat destruction and overfishing. Interestingly, the presence of Humboldt penguins has historically had a significant impact on their environment. Their guano, or droppings, once held immense value as a nitrogen-rich fertilizer, enriching the soil and benefiting local agriculture. Royal penguin. Found primarily on Macquarie Island, this charming bird is a symbol of the unique biodiversity that thrives in Australia's remote reaches. With their striking black and white plumage and vibrant yellow crests, royal penguins are known for their animated personalities and social behaviors. But beneath their playful exterior lies a life filled with challenges. Every year, royal penguins gather on these shores to breed, laying 2 eggs in their nests. Yet, intriguingly, only one of those eggs has a chance to survive. The first egg laid is typically smaller, an evolutionary strategy that often results in its abandonment. Survival of the fittest, perhaps. The royal penguins instinctively prioritize the stronger egg, allowing the strongest chick to take its first breath. But life for the royal penguin does not end with the nesting process. These remarkable birds are migratory, traveling vast distances across the sea, though much about their migratory paths remains a mystery. Scientists study their movements, but the secrets of their journeys still elude us. Royal penguins are remarkable not just for their beauty and behavior but for their ability to navigate the vast Southern Ocean. While we know they migrate, the specifics of their routes and the factors influencing their journeys are still largely unknown. Despite their natural adaptations, royal penguins face dire threats. Their population is classified as vulnerable, impacted by climate change, habitat degradation, and human activity. We're witnessing a decline in their habitat, affecting breeding and feeding grounds. It's vital we act now to protect these precious birds and their ecosystem. The royal penguin is more than just a captivating sight, it is a testament to nature's resilience and the fragility of ecosystems. They remind us that every action counts in the fight for conservation. Rockhopper penguin. Named for its unique method of navigation, this adorable bird hops rather than slides, bounding over rocks to reach its breeding sites. These tiny, spirited birds are found along the subantarctic islands of the Pacific. Their homes are often rocky and rugged, mirroring their robust and daring nature. But life here is not without its challenges. Despite their tenacity, rockhopper penguins are categorized as endangered. A decline in their population is attributed to overfishing, climate change, and habitat destruction. Conservation efforts are urgently needed to protect these resilient birds and their dwindling habitats. Did you know that the rockhopper penguin has a unique hopping style? Instead of sliding on their bellies like many of their kin, they leap gracefully from rock to rock, making them one of the most agile of all penguins. Their natural agility is not just for show, it's a crucial adaptation for avoiding predators and navigating treacherous terrain while raising their chicks. And here's another fascinating fact, the oldest known rockhopper penguin lived to be an impressive 29 years and 4 months old, showing just how resilient these creatures can be. Organizations around the world are committed to safeguarding the future of the rockhopper penguin. They work tirelessly to restore habitats, regulate fishing, and raise awareness about the threats these charming birds face. Galapagos penguin. The Galapagos penguin is the only penguin species that resides at the equator. Here, in these warm waters, they find both the freedom of the sea and the challenges of survival. For many species, Antarctica is home, but these remarkable birds have adapted to a much different environment. With balmy temperatures, the Galapagos penguin thrives even as its kin huddle under layers of ice and snow. Did you know? The Galapagos penguin lives farther north than any other penguin species. A fascinating distinction. Their streamlined bodies are perfectly crafted for life in the water. The Galapagos penguin uses its wings as flippers, propelling itself swiftly through the ocean depths in search of food. But, like many creatures in our world, the Galapagos penguin faces dire challenges. Overfishing, climate change, and habitat destruction have pushed their population to the brink. Recent estimates place the population of Galapagos penguins at a mere 2,000 individuals. They are classified as endangered, and conservation efforts are crucial to their survival. Did you know? Unlike their counterparts in colder climates, Galapagos penguins can breed year-round, with 2 notable peaks in March and July. Breeding season is a bustling time as pairs bond and nest, often in the crevices of rocky shores. Here, they lay their eggs and care for their young until they are ready to face the ocean for the first time. As parents tirelessly feed their chicks, they embody a project of hope amidst worrisome odds. The delicate cycle of life continues, even in the face of adversity. On the ground, conservationists are tirelessly devoted to preserving the Galapagos penguin and their habitat. Through education, sustainable fishing practices, and habitat restoration, there is still hope. Yellow-eyed penguin. This extraordinary bird, easily identifiable by the distinctive yellow band of feathers encircling its eyes, is a marvel of nature. But isn't it ironic? The very features that make it so unique also contribute to its struggle for survival. Did you know? You can spot a yellow-eyed penguin by the mesmerizing yellow band of feathers around its face. This charming characteristic, however, comes with a poignant truth: these penguins are among the rarest in the world, struggling against the tides of extinction. Diving into the glimmering waters, the yellow-eyed penguin showcases its impressive aquatic skills. Unlike other penguin species, this shy creature prefers solitude over colonies, foraging alone in search of fish and squid. Yet, despite their unique adaptations, the yellow-eyed penguin's survival hangs in the balance. With an estimated population dwindling to fewer than 5,000, they are classified as endangered, their habitats threatened by human activity and climate change. But hope is not lost. Dedicated conservationists are tirelessly working to create safer environments for these gentle creatures. Every little effort, from habitat restoration to monitoring breeding habits, plays a crucial role in their fight for survival. In the heart of the breeding season, life emerges anew. From hatchlings to the majestic adults, each penguin represents a thread in the delicate tapestry of our ecosystem, symbolizing both beauty and vulnerability. Every minute spent observing these intriguing birds unveils a narrative of resilience. The yellow-eyed penguin serves as a poignant reminder of nature's fragility. Unless we act now, we may lose not only this species but countless others that share their ecosystem.